Namaste everyone, welcome back to Adiyogam. Today I am going to show you a very quick and effective practice for fixing your back pain with using the blocks. Alright, let's get started. So first you need to take the blocks into vertical shape. Okay, keep it by the side of you. Little bit back, not in line with your knees, because you have to do side bends. Interlace your fingers, take your palm at the back of your head. Inhale, center. Exhale, try to drop your elbow down towards your left block and back to center. If it's too much down, you can take the two blocks. You can increase the height. It's totally fine. Work with your limitations. Inhale, center. Exhale to the sideways. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Once you feel comfortable here, straighten your right hand and hold it. Breathe. Look at your right side. Breathe. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, drop the hands down. Same on the other side. Three to 5 times or 5 to 9 times. This is number 1. The number 2 is again very simple. Take one block in the front and one block at the back. And let me turn to the side and let me much more comfortable to understand. Okay, comfortable distance, maybe approximately 1 elbow distance from your buttocks or from your ankles. From here, reach your hands all the way up. Inhale. As you exhale, twist your body. Place your left hand in the front of the block, right hand at the back of the block. Twist. You can adjust the blocks here, how much ever you feel comfortable, how much your hands are reaching, but maintain your spine. Again, inhale, back to center. Exhale towards your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Again, 5 to 10 times. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right, and hold it. Stay here. Stay for 3 to 5 breaths. After 5 to 10 times. Again, other side. Hold it for 3 to 5 breaths. Back to center. Exhale, drop it down. So this is number 2. Number 3, again it's very easy. You need to straighten your left leg towards the left side. Right heel close to the right inner thigh. If your right knee is not touching to the floor, you can take the support of the block and you can stay here. Okay? Or else, if your knee is on the ground, if you're comfortable, it's totally fine. Again, take the block. One block is enough. If it's too down, another block. Again, here also, place your one hand at the back of your head, other hand on the mat. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, lean your body to the left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, lean to the side until your elbow touches to the blocks. You can Also increase or decrease the height if you want to. It's okay if you can use one block. If you're comfortable, you can go with this. Okay, so intensity is totally up to you, up to the severity of your back pain. Okay, let's do it. Inhale up, exhale side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And last one, hold it for 5 to 10 breaths. Breathe. If you're comfortable, you can straighten your left hand at the last while holding. Breathe. Again slowly, back to center. Exhale, release. Simple. Now same on the other side. Repeat on the other side. Either you can increase the distance or you can decrease the distance, whichever you feel comfortable. One hand at the back of your head, one hand by the side of the mat. Reach up, inhale, exhale, lean to the side. Very important is to side bend. Don't drop your left shoulder. Push your left shoulder back. Look to the side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After 5 to 10 times, open up your left shoulder, look to the left hand, hold it. Breathe. 5 to 10 breaths. Slowly, inhale, center, exhale, drop the hands down. Come to supine position. Right. So what you do now, bend your knees, take one block, place it at the top of your knees together, feet together. Lift your feet off the ground, your ankle and your knee and your ankle in the same line. Okay, and your hip and your knee in the same line. So, with the support of your hands, push. Hold the block firmly. Okay, between your knees and your palm. From here, next inhalation, straighten your left leg, straighten your left hand all the way back on the mat. Exhale, back to center. Same on the other side. Inhale, right leg, right hand. Exhale, center. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Once you feel comfortable doing this, take the blocks out. Bring your hands right in line with your shoulder in front of your chest, and then do it opposite. Left hand, right leg. Exhale, center. Left leg, right hand. Exhale, center. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After this, bring your palms together, knees together. Lean your body to the sideways. Yes, you need to keep the legs and hands in the same position. Take the block, support your sides of the head. Now, next inhalation, take your right hand all the way back, drop it on the mat, look at your right shoulder or right fingertips. Exhale, back to center. Again, inhale, back. Exhale, center. Inhale, back. Do this 5 to 10 times. Exhale, center. Inhale, back, and hold it after 5 to 10 times. Hold for 3 to 5 breaths. Breathe. Slowly back to center. Now change the sides, switch the sides, other side. Let me show you, leaning to the right side. Right, I need to keep your knee and hip in the same line. Inhale, take your hands all the way back. As much as possible. Feel very good relaxation of the lower back. Exhale, center. Inhale, back. Exhale, center. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And up to 5 to 10 times. Hold it and breathe. Feel your lower back muscles, lumbar region. Every exhalation, let it go. Let go all the tensions. Most of the times, the tension is in the mind, not in the body. So while holding the posture, you need to mindfully release the tension. That is how you get out of any pain. Now, we're coming to the end of the video. Last one workout. Come into supine position. This time, take one block between your knees, okay, and squeeze it. Once you squeeze your knee, your thighs will be engaged. And hands by the side of your heels or by the side of your buttocks. Don't keep your heels close to the buttocks. Your ankle, knee, almost in the same line. Yeah, right. And keep your legs firmly. Engage your thighs. Squeeze the blocks. Hands down. While lifting your buttocks, again you need to tuck your tailbone, squeeze your buttock muscles, and lift up slowly along with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Squeeze the blocks. Squeeze your buttocks. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Exhale. Do this 5 to 10 times. And last one, hold it. Breathe. You should not feel any pain or any pressure in the lower back. Hold it for 3 to 5 breaths. Next exhalation, slowly drop it down. And you can take the blocks out. Take both the blocks, keep it underneath your knees so that your lower back will be on the mat, and relaxing Shavasana. In Shavasana also you need to mindfully let go of all the tensions, whichever is bothering you. So now in this video we are working on the lower back. So breathe in and breathe out. While breathing out, release the tension from the lower back. While inhaling, feel the strength in your lower back. While exhaling, release the tension. Like this, breathe for 3 to 5 minutes. Hey guys, hope you have enjoyed this practice. So I have a few things to mention here. The main important thing in yoga therapy is, so what we do whenever you have a back pain, don't focus only on back pain, but try to support the surrounding muscles of the back. So now when it comes to lower back, the surrounding muscle or the major muscle is called quadratus lumborum. So try to work on that, strengthen that. So what happens? You can eventually strengthen your lower back muscles. Alright, so today also we did almost all the practices are strengthening your quadratus lumborum muscle. Okay, so don't focus only on working on your lower back. So that's why most of the people, when they do workout for their lower back, they again end up hurting a little more. So don't do that mistake. Okay, I really request everyone, whoever watching this video, and please do this video at least 21 days continuously without any miss to see the result. If you don't see the result, please comment and let me know how it goes for you. If you get the result, please comment and let me know. Whatever it is, you're always welcome to give me the feedback. I'll be looking forward for your feedbacks and comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Namaste, take care.